Stop throwing your hard-earned money on expensive hair serums. Just stop. Those $50 chemicals are only coating your hair for a few hours, but have you ever looked at Middle Eastern women? Their hair is incredibly thick, glossy, and it grows like crazy. No, it's not just genetics. It's a secret lifestyle. In this video, I am unlocking the exact, centuries-old Arab hair care routine, and starting immediately with the rarest, most powerful remedies you've never heard of. Let's get into the secrets. Secret 1. The ultimate Sidr hair mask. Let's start with the holy grail of Arab hair care, Sidr powder. If you go to the Middle East, they don't use harsh chemical shampoos every day. They use Sidr. It comes from the lot tree, and it contains natural saponins that clean your scalp without stripping your natural oils. How to make it? Take 2-3 tablespoons of pure Sidr powder. Mix it with warm water or green tea until it looks like a smooth paste. Add 1 teaspoon of organic honey for extra moisture. How to use it? Apply it directly to your scalp, leave it for 20 minutes, and just rinse with plain water. Why it works? It makes your hair strands thicker from the very first wash, stops scalp irritation, and naturally cleanses the hair roots. You cannot grow long hair if you're damaging it every day. Here are the foundational Arab hair habits you need to adopt right now. 1. The art of misting and oiling. In dry, hot Middle Eastern weather, hair loses moisture fast. They follow a strict routine: hydrate first, lock second. Always spray your hair with a little water or your rosemary mist before applying any oil. Oil alone cannot moisturize dry hair, it only locks in existing moisture. 2. Scalp inversion massage. Every evening, Arab women spend 5 minutes massaging their scalp. But here is the trick. Lean your head forward, flip your hair upside down, and massage using your fingertips, never nails. This dramatically increases blood flow to the hair roots instantly. Secret 3. The infused oud and rosemary hair mist. Arab women always smell heavenly, and their hair looks constantly hydrated. They don't use alcohol-based hair perfumes. They use infused hair mists. How to make it? Boil fresh rosemary leaves in pure rosewater for 5 minutes. Let it cool, and add 2 drops of pure oud essential oil or argan oil. How to use it? Spray this on your hair damp or dry every single morning. Why it works? Rosemary blocks DHT, the hormone responsible for hair loss. Rosewater balances scalp pH, and the oud leaves a luxurious scent that stays for days. Infused black seed and garlic elixir. Habet al-Baraka or black seed oil infused with fresh garlic. Arab traditions call black seed the cure for everything except death. When combined with garlic, it wakes up dead hair follicles. How to make it? Take half a cup of extra virgin olive oil or argan oil. Add 2 tablespoons of crushed black seeds and 3-4 crushed garlic cloves. Warm it gently on low heat for 10 minutes, don't burn it. Let it sit in a glass jar for 3 days, then strain it. How to use it? Massage 5-7 drops directly into your bald spots or thinning areas every alternate night. No need to wash it out, instantly let it work its magic. 4. Ditching the heat tools. You rarely see Arab women destroying their hair with daily flat irons. They love natural volume. Embrace heatless curls, use satin rollers, or let your hair air dry after applying your homemade black seed elixir. Now let's talk about diet and internal nutrition. What you put inside your body shows up on your scalp. The traditional Middle Eastern diet is incredibly rich in hair-loving nutrients. Dates and figs, eaten daily, these are packed with iron. Low iron is the #1 cause of hair thinning in women. If you loved these deep, unfiltered secrets, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and comment down below. I am starting my Arab hair journey today. Let me know which remedy you are going to try first. Thank you so much for watching, take care of your beautiful hair, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.